Mysterio. And guys, he entered the plump spot, number 27. More winners from that number than any slot in Rumble match history. I just can't get over the shape that Mysterio is in right now. He looks as great as he ever looked at any point in his career. It's incredible.
Sorry. Hotel owner ആണ്. Sorry. കുഴപ്പമില്ല. പറഞ്ഞോ. എടാ ഒന്ന് സംസാരിച്ചിട്ടോ. ചീന ഇനിയാണ്. ചീന